Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here with a project share that I did last night for the one-word collab that I have with Millie the Silent Crafter. Anything that you make from our videos, please hashtag Millie the Silent Crafter or Vanessa Angel Rose Designs, okay? That way we can view what you make from our designs or from our videos, and also you can post them in my group, which the link is down below in the description box, I believe. If not, I'll put it in the comment section. It is Vanessa Angel Rose Crafters United to Craft TM on Facebook is the name of my group. Now, for these projects here, I use papers from Paulette Slater, Shannon Daigle, Donna Bell, Tsunami Rose, you know, and that's the ones I use. So, 3 tags here. All I did was took the printable that I got from, I can't remember, I think, let me see. I'm going to make sure I get these right. Okay. Let's see. I have some extras printed so I know who to give credit to. Do, 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 do. Try to find it. Apparently I can't. Well, I will link everything down below in the comment section, and with the person's name and everything, all their information. Okay, so I took these 3 tags and put it on some cardstock. I think it's a 110-pound cardstock. I'm gonna just double check that. It is this cardstock here that I used, and it is 100-pound. There's 100 sheets. 65-pound cardstock. Okay, so that's those 3 right there. I'm gonna put those up there. Now this, I used a napkin. I Mud Podged it to the cardstock. Now this is a Tsunami Rose printable. I love this printable. See, it's like a journaling card. You can use it as a greeting card or a journaling card. It is blank, so you can write whatever you want on the inside and right there. On this one here, I got this from Pinterest. It was free, and it is a greeting card. I just took the printable and glued it onto my cardstock. And then here is another one. Again, Tsunami Rose here, Tsunami Rose there. This is die cuts with a view. And these 2 here are printables that I have from, don't remember the name. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find them. I'm going to search them again and link everything in the comment section, as I said before. And you can go and check out Millie the Silent Crafter on her channel. I will also link her down below. We are doing a collaboration of one-word collab, and my word is holidays and hers is the alphabet. So Monday night we will be doing the letter H, which she has chosen the word holiday. So I have to come up with something for that. So I want to thank you all for watching. Your support is greatly appreciated. Please be blessed, be kind, be loving, be crafty, be safe, be blessed, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And please don't forget your thumbs up. Bye-bye for now.